So, unless you have been living under a rock, you recently must have heard about the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. It is pretty much TikTok's answer or competition to YouTube's longer form videos. With the Creativity Program Beta, you guys can make money from TikTok for your videos that are over 1 minute long. Now, if you're familiar with my page, you saw my TikTok shop journey, saw how I started from day zero, and I documented everything up until day 30 for you guys, and I continue to speak about TikTok shop. I feel like I've reached a point now where my TikTok shop is relatively stable and I get sales every single day and I have a really strong understanding of how shop works. So with that being said, I decided to start another journey of documentation for you guys, but not just for you guys, also for myself. I've been reading about the TikTok Creativity Program Beta recently, really thinking about it, and I said to myself, why not embark on this other journey? Why not create another source of revenue for myself from TikTok? Now, just to preface this, I don't recommend you guys jump in between TikTok Shop and the Creativity Program and some other business model, right? Get your either TikTok Shop up and running and stable and consistent, or go with the Creativity Program Beta and stick to it for a long duration of time before you jump onto something else. That is something that I always preach because I like to keep it real with you guys always. Now that my TikTok Shop is stable, I'm going to be delving into the Creativity Program Beta. But I also have to admit something else to you guys. I have an advantage on this 30-day journey. Why? Because to join the Creativity Program Beta, you need to have at least 10,000 followers and at least 100,000 views within the last 30 days in order to be eligible for payment. Now, many of you who are watching this might be starting out brand new on TikTok. You might have never posted on the platform. You might not have any followers. So I don't want you to feel discouraged by the potential progress that I get during this 30 days that can be faster than yours. As I always tell you guys, whatever it is that you're starting, just put your head down, focus, work on it every single day for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years before you're gonna reap the fruits, right? I started posting on TikTok and the way I gained these followers was about 3 years ago. I was just posting random things. I gained a whole bunch of followers and those followers ended up helping me with many things. Like I was able to be my own affiliate for TikTok Shop, but more recently, that was going to help me out with the Creativity Program Beta. And I was able to get the views actually just from creating affiliate content for my shop. So pretty much that is what got us here. And over these next 30 days, I want to document my whole journey for you guys to show you my achievements over the next 30 days. I might honestly not achieve anything, right? Because I like to keep it 100% real and transparent with y'all. I struggle making longer form content on TikTok, right? So although I have an advantage on one side, I have a disadvantage on another. I've only made longer form video, and by longer form, I mean 1 minute long videos on TikTok. Earlier in 2022, started posting some TikToks here and there, and they did not do well. Actually, excuse me, 2023. Those TikToks did not perform well. I struggled getting my ideas across. As you guys know, I like to talk a lot. So I struggled getting my ideas across in a minute. It didn't perform very well, but now that my TikTok shop is doing good and I'm making money through it, I'm like, I need to give myself some other way of making money on TikTok. So we're gonna get started with this journey. Now here's how this journey is going to unfold here on YouTube. I am not going to post daily updates because I'm just creating content, right? On TikTok, there's gonna be crazy changes on a day-to-day basis. However, over the 30 days, I will be posting weekly updates. So this video that you're watching right now is day zero of the whole journey. At this point, or up until today, I've just been posting a few TikToks, kind of warm up into the 1 minute long, kind of just do some practice, but it's not officially the start of the journey. You will be seeing this video on Sunday. Now, Sunday marks the start of the journey, and over that week, I'm going to be posting daily 1 minute videos on TikTok. And at the end of the week, on the following Sunday, I'm going to give you guys my week 1 recap. And that's how it's going to go into week 2, 3, and 4. And hopefully, by the end of the 30 days, we've made some money, because I've been seeing a lot of creators on TikTok speak. Well, actually, not a lot. It's very select the people who speak about it, which is kind of the same thing I saw with TikTok Shop. There wasn't many people speaking about it. So in terms of the creativity program, there isn't that many people talking about it. I feel like the people who are really making a ton of money on it aren't even saying how much they're making. Most of the creators that I've heard speak about it get 50 to 100K views every video, which On TikTok, that's not that crazy. There's people out there doing millions of views on their 1 minute video almost every day. So they're making crazy amounts. They're keeping it on the down low, which means it's a good opportunity. So your boy's gonna hop right into it, and I'm gonna bring you guys everything. You're gonna be embarking on this journey with me on the creativity program. I recommend you guys don't pay attention to your analytics as much as I am going to on this journey. The whole reason why I'm going to be updating you guys through analytics is because that is how I'm going to show you the progress that I'm making. But for you, if you're starting on a brand new TikTok account, starting from 0 followers, from 0 views, just post 1 minute videos every single day for as long as you can. Give yourself a year of doing it every day and don't even look at your analytics, right? If I was going to do this without documenting it, at least on YouTube, I would not be looking at my analytics at all. I'll just post 1 minute videos every day for a few months and see what happens. Because just like on TikTok Shop, it took me about 3 weeks to even get my first sale. And then from there, things kind of just started streaming in. And as I was doing my journey for TikTok Shop, I remember speaking to the camera every day and saying, I just need to get some wind in my sails and it's going to carry me. And that is kind of how I anticipate the creativity program journey to be. Now, in all honesty, I think it is going to be more difficult than TikTok Shop because I'm already used to selling through TikTok, but creating 1 minute content on TikTok is not easy, especially with how bad users' attention span is. They most of the time do not stick to full 1 minute videos. So I'm thinking of like what kind of content I'm gonna make, but I try to not strategize too much when I start something like this, just like I did on YouTube. I just create content. So how I recommend you guys go about it if you're someone who's like, oh, but I don't know what to make content about, but how should I copy others? Should I plan out my content? Don't do any of that shit. What I am going to be doing is whatever ideas I get through the day, I write them down in my notes. Towards the end of the day or any point in that day, I make a TikTok about something that I recorded in my notes, or if another idea pops in my head, I just spontaneously record it. The key, I feel, to TikTok, to the creativity program is going to make us money is to just be spontaneous, because TikTok, you guys don't know, is very unpredictable. Now, after watching this video, you're probably going to jump to, this is the TikTok algorithm update for this month. You need to post videos like this. I'm going to tell you guys, that's all bullshit. Now, why I might not be very familiar with long form video on TikTok, I'm familiar with short form. And what I know is there's no special upload time, suppose. There's no special hooks to use. There's no special hashtags to use. That is all crap. And all the people that create content about those things are just hustling you and making money off of you on YouTube. So it's all about being spontaneous, but most importantly, being consistent every day. It's day 0, guys. I can't wait for you to come on this journey with me, just like y'all did on the TikTok Shop journey, where we went from day 0 to 30 and we just kept going and killing it. I want to kill it this year on TikTok. I want to kill it on YouTube. I want to kill on every aspect on TikTok, on YouTube, with everything. And I believe in you guys, and I believe you will do the same thing. Just stay focused. The key to all this is focusing and posting every day and being consistent, focusing on one business model, not jumping back and forth, and not having that shiny object syndrome that I spoke about in my last video. But with that being said, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you follow on this journey every single week. You come back for the updates. Drop a comment down below if you're going to be starting TikTok Shop or the Creativity Program Beta this year. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. I'm out.